purpose of today's video is to take a look at some common tener expressions, their English translations, and then later the first person singular Spanish translation and the first person singular English translation. So the tener expressions that we are going to focus on is number 1, tener hambre. The translation will be to be hungry. Notice that all of our translations into English are going to use the words to be, even though the verb tener means to have. The next one, tener sed, to be thirsty. Viewer question number 1. Please write down I am thirsty in Spanish. Tener sueño, to be tired or sleepy. Tener calor, to be hot. And this means like the temperature hot, like it's 100 degrees out. Tener frío, to be cold. Viewer question number 2. Please write down he is cold in Spanish. Tener suerte, to be lucky. Tener celos, to be jealous. Tener razón, to be right. Viewer question number 3. Please write down we are right in Spanish. Tener prisa, to be in a hurry. Tener miedo, to be afraid. Viewer question number 4. Please write down they are afraid in Spanish. Next one, tener vergüenza, and please add the 2 dots over the U in vergüenza. It gives it more of a W sound. And this is to be embarrassed. E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S-E-D. To be embarrassed. The next one, tener éxito, to be successful. Viewer question number 5. Please write down you all, everywhere, are successful in Spanish. And then the final one, we have to go on to the next page. Tener la culpa is to be guilty. Your homework assignment is to then take our tener expressions and write the first person singular Spanish translation and then translate that into English. Let's do the first one together. Tener hambre means to be hungry. So in Spanish, if I'm doing first person singular, I would write down yo, tengo, hambre. I am hungry. So make sure your English translation, where you're saying I am hungry, not I have hunger. I am hungry. For tomorrow, please do the remainder of these tener expressions and their translations into English. Make sure you turn your viewer questions into me, and thanks for watching.